Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Deji, and you know how we do it on this channel, that I'll be bringing you all the juicy stuffs about make money online and the internet marketing space in general. And today I've got something special for you: email marketing versus WhatsApp marketing. A lot of guys have been making a killing using WhatsApp marketing, and now people are beginning to ditch email marketing, and that's why today the comparison: email marketing versus WhatsApp marketing. The first thing I would like us to talk about is the similarities. What are the similarities between both conversion engines? They are both conversion engines. What this means is they increase the know, like, and trust factor of your leads. They help your leads become paying customers. They both do this really well. The second thing is you have to build your list. So it doesn't matter if it's email marketing or if it's WhatsApp marketing, you have to build your list. You cannot depend on the 50 or the 100 or the 200 contacts you have on your WhatsApp to grow your business. You have to build your leads using all of the techniques: Facebook ads, content marketing, social media marketing, leads magnets. All of those stuffs have to be used to build your email list. The 1% rule applies to both. The 1% rule states that 1% of your leads are going to end up buying. So if you want to make one sale, have 100 leads. If you want to make 10 sales, have 1,000 leads. Now, this is just the benchmark. It's possible to have a conversion rate that is above 1%, but it's good you just have this benchmark at the back of your mind so you don't get disappointed or frustrated when the sales are not coming in. And lastly, they both require copywriting and content marketing skills. However, I'd like to tell you that email marketing requires a higher skill set of copywriting than WhatsApp marketing. Because, with email marketing, you're basically writing text to people. And so if you are not good, it is really easy for people to see your incompetence when they read your write-up. And your persuasion skills, your communication skills, all of those stuffs has to come to play for people to like and trust you when they're reading your emails. It's really easy for people to turn off or for people to lose interest if you're not really good, if you don't have an understanding of what you're writing about. And this was the major reason why people started ditching email marketing, because the skill set required to make it work is higher as compared to WhatsApp marketing. With WhatsApp marketing, you're using text, you're using pictures, you're using videos. All manner of content can go on WhatsApp. And you don't really have to be a very good copywriter to use WhatsApp marketing. However, for email, you don't have to be a very good copywriter too, but you must have the basic skill sets of email marketing, or you must even know how to write. You must even know how to write attractive copy. You must know how to write things that are interesting to be a good email marketer, or else your audience is just going to doze off on you and they are not going to open your emails because they don't find you interesting. And this takes us to the next point, which is the differences between both. The first thing I would like to highlight here is the monthly subscription. Every month, you are going to be taxed. You are going to be billed by your email service provider. And this has really sent a lot of new guys that came into the online marketing industry packing. Because I tell you what, your first 3 months, you might not make any sale, but you would have to be paying those email providers their subscription fee. Most of them offer the first month for free. However, after that first month, whether you're making a sale or not, you would have to pay for their service. So while you're worrying about lead generation, you're worrying about conversion and closing, you would also have to worry about paying your monthly subscription. And this goes from as little as $10 a month, $15 a month, $20 a month, depending on the number of emails you have on your email lists, and depending on the company you're using. However, for WhatsApp marketing, it's completely free. You're not paying a dime for WhatsApp marketing. All you have to focus on is the lead generation aspect and the conversion aspect. So it takes one baggage off your neck. So even if you're not making sales, you're not under pressure. You're not under pressure because you're not spending any money trying to maintain the lists. And this is a big win for newcomers in the game. And this is the major reason why a lot of them stick with with WhatsApp marketing. Now, the next thing I'd like us to talk about is automation. With email marketing, you're basically paying for the automation that the email service providers are giving you. What this means is you could program all of the messages that you're going to send out in a week or in a month. And without you clicking a button, all of these messages are going to be delivered. So you could do something else while your online business is making money for you. With WhatsApp, you have to be there. You have to keep replying all of the messages. You have to post stuffs manually. You have to get those contents going manually every day. I know it's possible to send broadcasts on WhatsApp, and there are bots and plugins that automate your WhatsApp for you. But at the end of the day, it takes away that personalized feeling. It takes away that human feeling. It makes you sound like a robot. So if someone is chatting you up concerning something you've posted on your status, and the reply the person is getting is a programmed reply from a bot, it's not gonna look real. It's gonna decrease the trust level the person has in you, because you're not replying, a bot is replying on your behalf. And because people like to chat, people like to ask questions, especially on WhatsApp, they're going to keep asking you multiple questions. And if the messages coming to them are programmed bots messages, it's going to be really easy for them to detect. And you don't want that for your WhatsApp business. So the best way to use WhatsApp is to be there, replying those messages. And this is where it gets really stressful. A lot of people have complained about WhatsApp marketing being really stressful. Because take for instance, you have 5,000 contacts on your WhatsApp list, and 500 of them are chatting you up, asking you questions, and you would have to manually reply each and every one of them, depending on their request and their questions. It gets really stressful, but that's what it is. You're not paying any money, and so you have to put in the time and effort to make it work. And lastly, WhatsApp is like word of mouth marketing. It's like one-on-one word of mouth marketing. Whereas email marketing is like you speaking to a congregation. It's like you being on the podium and talking to thousands of people at the same time. And so those who are interested, click the buy button. Those who are not, don't. But with WhatsApp, you never know who's going to be interested or not. So you have to treat each chat or each question as important. You have to keep replying one by one, one-on-one, talking to each and every one individually. So that's it, guys. Those are the similarities and those are the differences. Which is better? Which is better? Which should you be using? Well, it depends on you. If you ask the older guys, they're going to tell you email marketing. Build your email lists. But if you ask the younger guys, the guys who are new in the game, they're going to tell you WhatsApp marketing. Because that's what they know, and that is what has worked for them. So at the end of the day, it depends on your skill sets. Can you write? Can you come up with interesting email titles? Can you bring up topics that are interesting, that would hold attention? Can you take your reader from point A to point B and to point C using your text? Can you do that? Of course, you're allowed to use images in your email, but most importantly, your writing style and how you communicate is going to be the driving factor. And if you cannot do all this, because I mean, the learning curve for email marketing is steep. If you cannot do all this, then you go for WhatsApp. But if you're going for WhatsApp, you must be ready to put in the time, put in the hours. Make sure you're there to answer all the dumb questions. Because I tell you what, people who end up asking the most questions do not even buy. It's funny, but that's it. People who ask the most questions, who want to be convinced at all costs, end up not buying. But you have to be there to answer all the questions, because you never know who is going to convert and who is not going to convert. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, hit the subscribe button so you get to see more videos when I post them. And also, let me know what you think in the comment section. Connect with me on Twitter at Digibablo. And also, I have a Telegram group, link in the description. Join us on Telegram, where we share information about making money online and internet marketing in general. I've said everything else there is to be said, and I have nothing else to say. Bye.